How to sign up for Kik and create a new Kik account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can sign up for a Kik account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Kik is also one of those popular streaming platforms, just like you have Twitch and other streaming platforms that are out there. It is new in the market, so many people might not have heard about it. If you'd like to sign up for a Kik account, open your browser, go to kik.com. Then what you want to do is on the top right hand side you can see two options to log in or to sign up. By the way, if you already do have an account, then you can click the login button here and then make sure to go ahead and enter your login details to sign into the account. Or if you want to sign up for a new account, click the green button that says sign up. Once you click the sign up option, make sure to go ahead and then actually enter your email address in this case that you would like to use. After you've done that, make sure to enter your date of birth, which is of course your legal date of birth, so that it will be easy to verify anything if you want to change later on. Choose a username, password, confirm your password, and then just click the sign up button. Now if you think all of this process is quite of a hassle for you, you can also choose to sign up with Google or your Apple ID. So if you're on iOS devices, you can of course select Apple. If you're on Windows or Android, you can select sign up with Google and make sure to sign up with your Google account. Once you've done that, your Kik account will get successfully created and then you'll be able to sign into your account as well. That's basically it for today's video on how you can basically set up a new Kik account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.